This is Ms. Stevens with directions for Emily and Evan and Alan. And as I speak, my cat keeps bothering me, so I'll try and get through this. You should be on this slide, September 5th, Wednesday, 2018. Should be slide 2 by the time you guys get this. So you're listening to this YouTube video right now, which I will have linked. You probably made a copy of the beginning of the year writing prompt or probe. Looks like that. You are writing to entertain, which means that your writing should be interesting in some way. You can choose again what I wish my teacher knew about me, even though you're doing that. I think 8th graders are doing that now. You can do that. There's the cat. You can probably hear her. You can write about one experience you had this summer, good or bad. You can write about how you've changed since the beginning of 7th grade. Or you can turn an icebreaker question into a paragraph. And remember the paragraph sandwich. You want that all-encompassing topic sentence. You want some good details, and then you want a conclusive sentence. The cat's distracting me. That it just states the topic in a unique way. And I used to teach with our assistant principal, now Mrs. Payson, and I used to say, "Isn't that kind of boring? I mean, you know, you always have to repeat what you said in that conclusive sentence." And she said, you gotta learn the rules before you can break them. So that's the deal. You're gonna write your paragraph right there. All right, so find that, before you go on, find that in your drive. So pause the video if you need to. Be sure to keep your drive organized too. If you don't have a specific folder for this class, then just use your 8th grade ELA folder or some type of thing. If you can't find it, you can search for it by just putting beginning of the year writing right into your drive. And I can show you how to do that. Do make sure that it's shared properly and put it in the form on my Canvas homepage. You should know that from last year. If you do need to review, the directions for sharing and the form procedure are on the next slide. So go ahead and start working on that. Consider as you're working, in order to meet your writing goal, getting all 4s on this rubric. And when you're done with the video, you can go through it later, but you want to get all 4s on that rubric. That's what you're being graded on as far as your probe. When you are completely finished with your paragraph, come to my desk for the editing and revising checklist. Thank you.